Oh, there it goes. It's coming now.
The Harbor Freight 2,000-pound electric winch. Cheapest thing in the store does the job.
That's right. Crash and burn, baby. Ooh.
Did it, didn't it?
Woo! Look how deep that thing just went.
Go get us a little bit of video of it, please.
Oh my gosh. That thing is gone.
That was twice that long.
I know.
See, we didn't damage these people's railings like they wanted to use. We knew that would happen.
Yep.
And some of the concrete broke, so I'm pleased.
Yep.
Have quite as much work, I don't think. I wish it would have laid up a little more on its edge where we could have got to the base better, but
right.
It's on the ground, nobody got hurt.
That's the main thing.
And looks like probably we'll have a little bit more to do today than we'll have time.
That is crazy.
Do it whenever you want to.
Yeah.